If you are using Canva to create graphics, presentations, or social posts, you may have gotten tired of being limited to the same old font choices. The good news is you can easily upload custom fonts to Canva for endless design possibilities. And in this video, I will walk you through two incredible simple ways to get any font you want onto Canva. Both take just minutes, even if you are not tech savvy. But before we start, you need to know that uploading fonts on Canva can only be done if you have a paid subscription. While Canva offers a free version, only Canva Pro subscribers can use custom fonts. So if you don't already have a Pro account, you will need to upgrade. It's affordable, for around $13 per month with no commitments. And considering the unlimited font choices you will unlock, it's more than worth it. So let's take a look at the easiest way to add fonts directly within your Canva workplace. Open Canva Design or create new one. Click the Tools bar text option to add a text box. Next, click the current font selection in the text box toolbar. This opens the font menu. Scroll all the way down the menu and select Upload Font File. A window will pop up that will prompt you to upload your font. So navigate to the font files saved on your computer and choose them to upload. Once uploaded, the new fonts will appear in your Canva font selection menu. Just click to apply them. It doesn't get much simpler. This method allows fast, one-off font uploads if you only need a few. But what if you want to bulk upload fonts to always be available in your Canva account? Canva Pro users have access to a powerful feature called Brand Kit. It allows you seamlessly upload fonts, logos, images, and brand colors for reuse. Anything added to Brand Kit becomes available across all your Canva projects with a click. So, bulk font uploads are a perfect use. Here is how. Go to the Canva homepage and click on the brand option in the left sidebar. Then find and click the Brand Kit option. Scroll down and find the font section. Here, click on the Add New option. From there, just click the Upload a Font and then click on Add New. This way you can upload font files from your computer. Canva will process it and then confirm your successful uploads. Now, whenever you design with Canva, your imported font collection lives under the Fonts menu. Having unlimited typography choices will make your Canva designs stand out beautifully. Hopefully, you now understand how to install any font your creative heart desires. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing for more content like this.